Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to our first tutorial series and tutorial on our Python course. So in this tutorial, we'll be talking about getting ready to install Python and getting an IDE ready. An IDE simply means an integrated development environment. So first of all, you open your browser and you just want to go to python.org. So with a Python.org, you want to download Python itself, the programming language library, the programming language itself, so you get access to. Alright, so the page is open. Now here we have this beautiful site, Python. Now we don't want to learn more about this. We'll be studying more in depth about how we can use this website for more Python learning. But for now, we just want to download the latest Python version. So you just head over to the download section here. So if you're on Mac or Windows or you're on Linux, it's still the same procedure. What you just have to do is you either choose your version type, either you're running Windows, you're running Linux, or you're running Mac OS or others. So that's just basically what you have to do. Now we have to click on download Python 3.8.2. I already have this installed on my PC. It's the latest version at the time of recording the video. Maybe at the time of watching it, it might be a higher version, but at this present time, it is Python 3.8.2. It's 25.25 megabyte. I am using the IDE download manager, start to download, and that's all. So since I have it installed, no need for me to download it again. Now, after having the Python installed, you can close this tab and download the second application, which is Win ID. So you just want to search for Win ID on Google and you choose the first suggestion. And what I love about Win is it's a very simple IDE and actually it's kind of free. I am using the pro version, but for the tutorial you guys can use the free version, which has the required tools you need to start our tutorial. So this is the latest version of Win. You head over to the download section here. You can just click on download. I choose Win 1-on-1. So when you click on download, you choose Win 1-on-1. This is the version for free use because you don't need to pay to get the premium version. Alright, so it says this is the simple free Python designed for teaching beginning programmers. You see, so this is just what we need. So you just hit here. If you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac, you can download it with the installer or through the zip file. On Windows, since I'm on Windows, I use the 32-bit Windows installer or 64-bit. So you just click that and install, and you're good to go. So after downloading the IDE, I just want to show you how the download process looks like. And here we go, the download screen pops and you click start download. So after you've downloaded the IDE, you should just see it on your alright Win Pro 7.2 version. So this is it here. What you will be seeing in yours is Win 101 version. So there's no worries, it will be still be the same thing, just that I'll be having more advanced features. But as a beginner, it's good for you to start from those basic applications and you start upgrading yourself so you get used to with what you're using at. So for first time user, it should delay actually. So don't worry if it takes a little bit of time to open. So it says Win Pro 7 Intelligent Development Environment for Python. It's developed since 1998 down to date. Alright, so and once you have that installed, then we are good to go to the next module. And our next module, we're going to be talking about Python variables. So we want to know about what are Python variables. So here we go. This is the application. I was kind of running another script. It's working on the second scrapping file. Alright. In the next module, we are going to be discussing on how what a variable is in Python. And from there, we're going to learn some cool features about using this beautiful IDE code. So for all that and more, we'll see you in the next module. Bye bye.
We are VenomRaiders.